Welcome to our Honda Fit Trunk Troubleshooting Guide. Today we'll cover the most common reasons why your Honda Fit's trunk might not open and how to fix each issue. We'll go through this step by step, starting with the simplest solutions first. Let's start with the key fob. If your trunk won't open with the key fob button, the first thing to check is the key fob battery. A weak or dead battery can prevent the trunk release signal from reaching your car. To replace the battery, carefully open the key fob case and swap the old battery with a new CR 2032 battery. If the key fob isn't the issue, let's check the manual release. Inside your trunk, there should be a manual release lever, usually located near the latch mechanism. This is an emergency release that should work even if the electronic system fails. If you can't access the trunk, try folding down the rear seats to reach this lever. Next, let's examine the latch mechanism. The latch could be stuck or damaged, preventing it from releasing properly. Check for any debris, rust, or damage that might be blocking the latch. You can try cleaning the latch mechanism with WD-40 or a similar lubricant. If all mechanical checks fail, the issue might be electrical. Start by checking the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the trunk release system. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with one of the same amperage rating. If the new fuse blows immediately, there may be a short circuit requiring professional diagnosis. Remember to try these solutions in order, starting with the simplest fixes first. If none of these solutions work, it's best to consult a certified Honda mechanic for proper diagnosis and repair.